Good afternoon to all participants. On behalf of the Academy, I welcome you all to day 31 of Appendix 3 session. Topic for the day is work registers and completion report. To take you through the topic, we have with us Sri V. A. Padmanabhan Garu, retired Additional Director Sitara. Good afternoon, sir, and welcome to the session. Now overview for the topics. Unmute. Sir, please unmute, sir. Please unmute.
Yeah. Are you listening?
Yes, you are audible, sir. You are audible.
Okay. My presentation is uploaded, Nageshwaram.
Sir, I'll upload at the end of session, sir.
Acha. Now I have to share the screen.
Yeah, you can share the screen from your side, sir.
Okay. First work register screen. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Presentation.
Welcome. Yes.
Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, sir. We can start.
Okay. You can unmute the others so that we can give question hours. Questioning time you can give 15-20 minutes.
Okay.
You just address the candidates like that.
Yes.
And I will start. They will be listening, what we are talking.
Yes, sir.
We will leave some time.
All are unmuted, sir.
All are unmuted. All are unmuted.
All are unmuted. Okay. I can talk. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Friends, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We will discuss two topics today, and I will leave some 20 minutes time at the end so that you can pose questions and I can answer. The topics are works registers and completion reports. Both are essential in the projects.
सर हिंदी में भी बताइएगा सर.
हेलो.
हिंदी में भी बोलिएगा सर.
थोड़ा बोलूंगा, बोलने के लिए कोशिश करूंगा. दो टॉपिक्स हैं आज के लिए. एक है वर्क्स रजिस्टर्स, द अदर वन इज कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट्स है. दोनों का महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है हमारा वर्किंग में. पहले हम वर्क्स रजिस्टर के बारे में जानने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे. व्हाट इज वर्क्स रजिस्टर? वर्क्स रजिस्टर का मीनिंग क्या है? ये तो उसको बोलते हैं रिकॉर्ड ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर बोलते हैं. जो भी खर्चा करता है एक सैंक्शन वर्क के बारे में, वो सब इसमें रिकॉर्ड हो जाता है. वो कलेक्टिव रिकॉर्ड ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर. इनकम नहीं रहता इसमें, बिकॉज वर्क्स रजिस्टर है ना. जो भी वर्क्स हैं सैंक्शन हो गया, एक वर्क के लिए एक वर्क्स रजिस्टर खुलेंगे और उसको वर्क कोड भी दे देंगे IT सेंटर वाला. सो फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग all the expenditure will be recorded there. So that is the importance of works registers. It is a collective record of expenditure designed to do three purposes. इसको तीन objectives हैं. One is to control our expenditure. वो expenditure को control करते हैं, ज्यादा कच्चा नहीं करना सैंक्शन से कंपेयर करें तो. और एक कंपैरिजन भी करेंगे एक्सपेंडिचर इनकर्ड ऑन ईच वर्क एंड द डिटेल्ड प्रोविजन मेड इन द एस्टिमेट ऑफ वर्क. एंड बजटरी कंट्रोल आल्सो कैन बी एक्सरसाइज्ड. कंपैरिजन विद बजट फॉर द ईयर एंड आल्सो एक्चुअल एक्सपेंडिचर टू द एंड ऑफ द एवरी मंथ. Proportionately we can control that. What is the budgetary control you can exercise. Though budget proportion will not be there for works expenditure, budgetary control can be there. It will be used for monthly financial review बनाने के लिए. इससे कामयाबी होगा. Third one is material modification को identify कर सकते हैं. इसके वर्क्स रजिस्टर को रिव्यू करें तो you review the expenditure if you review the works register, you will be able to identify material modification as per para 1109 of engineering code. उसमें थोड़ा इंडिकेशन मिलेगा whether material modification है और नहीं है. It may not be really material modification, but it is a clue will be there. According to that, you can probe further and find out whether material modification has occurred in the work. It is an important record pertaining to works undertaken. This is a managerial tool also to monitor the financial progress of works. Every work, when it is sanctioned, suppose it is sanctioned for 100 crore, and as the time passes, you will be knowing how much expenditure you have spent on the work. That is called financial progress. It also helps you to exercise control over works expenditure. पूरा वर्क्स को मिला ले तो आपका डिमांड नंबर 16, आप डिमांड नंबर नहीं बोलते हैं उसको, सब मेजर हेड हो गया, वो उनका वर्क्स एक्सपेंडिचर में इतना वर्क्स ग्रांट कितना दिया है ये साल में, उसका एक्सपेंडिचर कितना है, इसको भी एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं कंट्रोल. One can identify the need to prepare revised estimates and also spot material modifications. You can also know from the financial progress, suppose a work is sanctioned for 1000 crores and the work is say about what you call it 60 or 70 or 80 kilometers of track you have to lay down. 80 kilometers of track करने के लिए suppose 1000 crores दिया है, one work is sanctioned, but as the progress of the expenditure goes, you will identify the need to prepare revised estimate. Suppose 60% progress is there, physical progress, and your financial progress is 80%. Suppose in that case, the remaining 20% money से 40% work तो complete नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसलिए it will give indication that you have to prepare revised estimate of the project. These things, it will help, works list will help. Hello. Then what is the form in which works list is maintained? It is form number E1473 पैरा. ये पहले डाले तो फॉर्म नंबर होता है 1473, ये बोले तो पैरा नंबर हो जाता है. Separate register has to be kept for each sanctioned work.
Okay.
Works registers are maintained subhead wise. What are the subheads? Preliminary expenses, land, earthwork, permanent way, bridges, stations and buildings, plant and equipment, general charges. These are the subworks in any work. Then details in the front page में, works register का front page, if you see, name of the work, sanction details, sanction number and date, allocation of the work, year-wise budget allotment, date of commencement of work, all these things are printed on the top page of the works register. But the data is not fed by our people. Only pro forma will be there. If you see practically, our people are not feeding except the name of the work and the allocation. The year-wise budget, year-wise expenditure, the person who is dealing with that works register should update that front page, top page of the works register. They are not doing it. That is our failure. It is not the failure of computer. Then separate works register is kept for deposit works also. For deposit works also, for each deposit work, a separate works register is maintained. A work code is allotted. As soon as the work is sanctioned, to open the works register, IT center or EDP center, whatever you call it, they have to allot one work code. That work code will remain till the completion report is drawn. Along with allocation, in the CO7, you have to mention the work code also. Then only it captures that expenditure and prints out works register. For example, you are passing a ballast bill. बैलेस्ट बिल पास कर रहे हैं और डबलिंग वर्क है, वो डबलिंग वर्क का बैलेस्ट बिल, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर बिल, उसका एलोकेशन क्या है? 20, 15, 44, 03. This is work chargeable to capital, and it is a doubling project. 15 money to, then 31, 44 is
Plan
head ballast, 03 contractor bill. ये एलोकेशन सबको एक ही रहता है, एनी बैलेस्ट बिल चार्जेबल टू डबलिंग. बट हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई दिस इज फॉर पर्टिकुलर वर्क? इसके हिसाब से आईटी सेंटर से एक वर्क कोड नंबर आता है, उसको भी CO7 एंड अदर डॉक्यूमेंट्स में डाले तो दिस एक्सपेंडिचर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बिल इज पर्टेनिंग टू सो एंड सो वर्क मालूम हो जाता है. से वर्क कोड की जरूरत है, उसको लेना है. यस, व्हेन यू आर कमेंसिंग द वर्क इटसेल्फ. There are two types of work sisters. Persons who are working in the open line, that is CDDM office, senior DFM office, you will come to know only single set of register. Single set of register means only accounts office will maintain that work register. And in construction, work register will be maintained in two sets. One is an accounts office, the other is an executive office. That is called two sets of register. Hello. And
can I meet all the participants? And at the end of session, we will unmute, sir.
At the end of the session, we will admit questions.
Okay. Now I'll meet all the participants.
Now don't make any noise. In the work register, we record the expenditure with allocation. We will record it. The end of the month, three types of totals. Hello. थोड़ा म्यूट करिए, अनम्यूट करिए.
Sir, please unmute, sir. Please unmute yourself. Sir, Padmanabhan sir, please unmute. Sir, left side option is there. Please unmute.
Okay.
Now it is okay.
Now you are able to listen.
Yeah, now it is okay, sir.
So far nobody listened. But somebody listened. Yeah. We are discussing single set and two sets. And at the end of whether it is two sets or one set, single set, at the end of the month, three totals will arrive. One is expenditure for the month, for the year, and to the end of the month. Three types of totals will be struck. Now manually we are not doing, computer is giving three totals. So what does these three totals will do it? One is giving three totals mein expenditure for the month will be useful for preparation of monthly financial review, and for the year will be useful for budgetary control, and to the end of the month will be useful for identifying excess overestimate, material modification, and also to help the preparation of revised estimate for the project. So three totals will signify three meanings. These three totals should be understood carefully. Then you have to review the works registers for deposit works. Reconciliation. Review of works register. Suppose you are maintaining deposit works register also. For deposit works are undertaken by railway at the request of private parties. And the cost as per sanctioned estimate is deposited by the party in advance. Expenditure incurred should be debited to the deposit and recorded in this register. periodically a review should be undertaken of the deposit works register to ensure that the expenditure does not exceed the deposit. And it should be reconciled every month with deposit miscellaneous account, where the lump sum deposit, whatever they have made, will be there, and it will be coming down as the months go, because expenditure is debited there. Where two sets of works registers are maintained by executive and accounts, they should reconcile the same and record certificates that they have reconciled on the works registers every month. Executive, the department executive staff will put up to DEN after reconciliation of works register with accounts. But DEN has to go through that and sign as a token of reviewing the works register. Should be preserved for 10 years. This is the basis for review and to prepare a wage estimate and also to draw completion reports. Because works register is very important. It helps to review the expenditure of the work, and it helps to indicate that there is a need for the wage estimate preparation. And finally, without works register, you will not be able to draw the completion report. Suppose one register is only one register is maintained, that is called single set by the accounts department. How the executive will come to know the expenditure position of that work, every work like that? Then the accounts officer will send every month a summary of information relating to all works, allocation wise and work wise. With that, the executive will know against each work what is the expenditure incurred. That is because only accounts office is maintaining, and the position will be given to the executive. By reviewing the works register, certain important points are there, because review means there is reconciliation, you do it. In that, during reconciliation, you will also conduct review, and in that review, you will have to identify incorrect bookings, wrong allocations. They should be noted and corrected promptly by preparing JVs in the next month works register. What is the incorrect booking, etc.? We find, if you find time, go there and see some works registers in construction organization or some other organization, open line or anywhere. You see, in new lines, you get a bridge allocation. That means new line also will have bridge, but plan head will be, all plan head of bridge will be operated there. We have seen in doubling, gauge conversion allocations will be there. So like that, there are different types of allocations will be coming, which are not connected to the project. Either it is the ignorance of the executive staff or somebody while punching that, while typing the allocation, or willfully they may have done it because of the availability of fund in the same project instead of correct project. Though we cannot officially tell, these things are possible, and if it is ignorance, we have to educate them. Accounts have to educate while reconciling the works registers. They have to educate it, and some bookings will be there which may not be pertaining to that one. That is, executive has to point out, because voucher they will see after going to office, after reconciliation, some forged entries they will find in the works register. For them, they will take the copies of the vouchers from the accounts office. They have to send it for executive acceptance. Then they will have to see. Some executive says, this is not our division voucher, or this is not pertaining to this work. Like that, they may mention it. So that type of wrong allocations also will be noticed. They have to be corrected promptly. They should not be left to the eternity. After a works register will have to be maintained till you draw the CR. Once you draw the CR, the last page will be crossed with 2 red lines, and they will write the works register CR is drawn and sanctioned by letter number so and so, etc. And then it has to be preserved for some preservation period. I already told 10 years. So this is the essence of works registers, and we go for completion report. because works register and completion report, this is the sequence. So when you are seeing the completion report, this is the brief points you have to observe in this presentation. One is what is the introduction and significance for CRs? What is the format of CR? What are the steps you have to take to draw the CR? Problems क्या है इसमें? Problems facing drawing of CR. If you don't draw the CR, what are the consequences? 10 commandments. ये तो मेरा coin है, word है. So 10 principles I said there for expeditious drawing of CRs. Role of accounts क्या है? इसका मामले में हमारा accounts का role क्या है, जिम्मेदारी क्या है? ये points को हम discuss करेंगे ये presentation में. Completion report, it is called in the engineering code as a stock taking exercise. That is, at the end of the completion of the work, you will take the stock of the situation. What is position of the work? What you take with reference to the sanctioned cost, original sanction or revised cost. What is the position of the finance? That is, expenditure क्या है? इसको stock taking करेंगे. और क्या एक्सपेंडिचर बुक करना है और प्रोविजनली बुक करना पड़ेगा. सम कोर्ट केसेस में भी देर, आर्बिट्रेशंस में भी देर, उसको क्या करना है, ये सब डिस्कस करने के लिए कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट स्टेज विल हेल्प. एंड कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट टू बी ड्रॉन एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल. टाइम इज गिवन 18 months. They call it 3 financial half years from the closure of financial half year in which the completion estimate is drawn. That is how, that means nothing but after completion estimate is drawn, another roughly 18 months or more time is given for drawing of completion report. Then what is completion estimate? For a big project, they draw instead of CR, they draw completion estimate, get the sanction of competent authority. Usually it will be railway board and above. Big projects. Once completion estimate is sanctioned, you have got latest sanctioned cost and the excess will be very less. So completion report can be cleared at local level. This is the essence of that. So you have to draw the completion report, don't delay it. So you may question me, why I should draw it? Is the responsibility of executive. So it is a joint responsibility. Why you know? हाफ ईयरली एरियर रिपोर्ट में एक कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट का पोजीशन आ जाएगा. रेलवे बोर्ड विल आस्क कमेंट एंड दीज आर ऑल हाउसकीपिंग आइटम्स. एग्जीक्यूटिव के जगह में हम भी वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ इट एंड वी विल कोऑपरेट, कॉल देम फॉर मीटिंग एंड स्ट्रेस फॉर इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ड्राइंग ऑफ अर्ली सीआरस. मीटिंग लगाना पड़ेगा, उनको दिमाग में आने तक बोलना ही पड़ेगा, मॉनिटरिंग करना ही पड़ेगा. जैसे रिकॉर्ड कीपिंग, मॉनिटरिंग कंटिन्यूस रहना है, एक दिन से होता नहीं है सब. देन पार्ट सीआर आल्सो कैन बी ड्रॉन. बिकॉज बिग प्रोजेक्ट में आप प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंसेस पहले ही होता है. लैंड एक्विजिशन उनका पेमेंट हो गया तो लैंड का सीआर ड्रॉ सकते हैं. सपोज यू आर डूइंग द व्हाट यू कॉल bridges and track linking and all, that means you have already done earthwork, so उसका ड्रा कर सकते हैं. ऐसा पार्ट सीआर्स भी कर सकते हैं. bold works and problems also we have to think of it. Now in the presentation we will discuss. DA means works accountant or a section officer, works और कुछ बोलते हैं उसको डिविजनल अकाउंटेंट, वर्क्स अकाउंटेंट, ऐसा अलग नाम से बोलते रहते हैं. इंजीनियरिंग ऑफिस में सेक्शन ऑफिसर हैं क्या, समरी, सम एंड सब्सटेंसेस, उनका योगदान बहुत होता है. बिकॉज इज अवर लिंक बिटवीन अकाउंट्स ऑफिस एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिस. उनसे हम ज़्यादा काम करा सकते हैं और सीआर से ड्रा भी करा सकते हैं. कोऑपरेशन शुड बी देयर, कोऑर्डिनेशन शुड बी देयर बिटवीन द डिपार्टमेंट्स, नॉट कॉन्फ्रंटेशन एंड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. दैट इज थोड़ा समरी है उससे. Then this is the format. CR has to be drawn in form 1706. It will be drawn sub work wise. एक एक वर्क, सब वर्क माने तो हम बोल दिए ना पहले, सब हेड और सब वर्क बोथ आर वन एंड सेम. सब वर्क माने तो क्या है, उसमें प्रिलिमिनरी एक्सपेंस रहता है, लैंड रहता है, एर्थ वर्क रहता है, और ये सब परमानेंट पे, ब्रिजेस, प्लान स्टेशंस एंड बिल्डिंग्स, plant and machinery, general charges, all these things are sub works. And department wise also will be there. In a project, minimum 4 departments are there now: civil engineering, electrical traction, S&T, like that. 4 departments are there. Some works में mechanical department आता है, if it is a workshop plan head है तो. Then CR essentially compares between latest sanction and the actual expenditure. A project में original sanction रहता है, उसके बाद you may have drawn first revised estimate, second revised estimate, like that. There may be 1 or 2 revised estimates will be there. Now, with the latest sanctioned cost, the actual expenditure under each sub work, we have to post it, we have to type it and on a sheet pro forma and compare it. Explanation देना है variations को. If it is below 5%, the local level sanction is enough, need not be sent to railway board and all. And there will be some certificates in the CR that work is completed, there are no audit objections or accounts objections, and all bookings are taken, and credit for released material is taken into account, and all these things. And court cases are not there, arbitration cases are there, not there. If they are there, provisional amounts are taken. That CR is called a provisional CR. All these certificates, they have to record it. Then verification by accounts. The accounts officer should verify. Expenditure के लिए वर्ष रजिस्टर से verify करना. And any provisional amounts are taken, you take certificates from them, details, and with that you verify, and the competency of sanction has to be indicated as per the schedule of powers. Schedule of powers में completion report के लिए अलग sanction नहीं रहता, अलग sanction powers नहीं रहता है. वो revised estimate को जो भी powers हैं, वही powers इसको apply करते हैं. This is competency of sanction. उसके बाद what are the steps to be taken? First step is reconciliation of first registers. उसमें ही बड़ा प्रॉब्लम रहता है, उसके बारे में नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में डिस्कस करेंगे. एडजस्टमेंट्स करना पड़ेगा. व्हाट आर द एडजस्टमेंट्स? फ्रॉम वन वर्क टू अदर वर्क मटेरियल may have been sent, or this DEN may have obtained some material from other work. This financial adjustment is not done, debit and credit. Then final bills. एक एस्टिमेट में कितना एग्रीमेंट्स हैं, उन सब एग्रीमेंट्स को फाइनल बिल पास करना है. पास किया नहीं किया ये देखना पड़ेगा. That has to be important. Suppose there is some problem like court case or arbitration or anything, provisional amount you take it, pass it, debit the work and keep it under deposit and pass the CR provisionally. Material at site clearance for big material like PV material, etc. Material at site account is maintained. When the material is issued to work, issue tickets will be there, and according to that, material at site account will get credit, and the main work will be debited. Liabilities. There may be other liabilities like like adjustments, final bills, court cases, etc. All those things are to be discharged, liquidated. Any claims are there, like arbitration claims, take the provisional amount and draw the CR provisionally. Any suspense balances are there, that also to be taken into account. Budget. You have to ask for budget also, because some more expenditure may have been incurred in this process of adjustments and all. The budget generally, because it's a board work, railway board will not give. So you have to impress upon chief engineer or CST, whoever is CAO, you have to impress upon them and get by reappropriation. Usually they help us, and they do it because it is the part, it is the main work is executive job. We are positively helping them in this direction. They will definitely provide budget. Now, what are the problems? Earlier, what are the requirements? Now we are telling what are the problems in drawal of CRs. Everybody says like me, draw the CR. But when you go to the reality, real task when you are taking up, definitely there are umpteen number of problems are there. Nobody will motivate you. You have to motivate yourself. Then only you have to motivate the executive. Because executive says records are not there. Works list itself is not there. We have dealt a number of cases in South Central Railway, and when I was Deputy FNSO Construction, we have dealt a number of cases with the active participation of FNSO, because guidance and support should be from FNSO when you are working there, and staff should be motivated, and we have to coordinate with executive departments concerned. Frequent follow-up, rigorous monitoring should be there. Because of that, lot of work registers, a lot of what you call it progress has been achieved. I was able to replicate it when I was senior DFM, and we have drawn hundreds of CRs, though in division CRs are value is less, number of items, number of works will be more. Then people say no works register. Because if it is in division, then no such problem should be there, because accounts is maintaining the works register. We can provide that copy to them and draw the CR, help drawing the CR. If it is a construction, and our accounts copy of the works register is also there here, 2 sets of registers, So that one copy they can take it, and as a starting point, they can draw the CR. Final bill set to be passed. I've already told you have to take a decision at executive level to provide provisional amounts and pass the bills provisionally, and final adjustment will take later on. Adjustment spending. So for transfer of materials, transfer is over, work is over, but accounts work, that is the book record work, many people don't do it. That is the problem. So because of that, the adjustments are pending. Now you take adjustments, it requires debit, means you require budget. So that is the problem, no funds. Then you suppose some crores of rupees adjustments, you do it after the work is completed, 10 years after the work is completed. The work does not appear in the pink book, it must have gone. And who will give the money? That is why the executive has to provide by reappropriation from the same plan head or the permissible plan head. This has to be pursued at very high level. Arbitration and disputes. Here also some provisional amounts can be taken till the arbitration is done. Provisional CR has to be drawn. Slackness and lethargy. This has to be tackled by the executive in their own way. Because if the employee is willing to do it, guidance can be given. The employee is not willing to listen, only DAR has to be taken. Discipline, because in management, there is a theory, carrot and stick policy. In good olden days, they used to take a gadha, यास को उनके माउथ के सामने एक कैरेट लगाते थे, but it cannot catch it. It will be there before the mouth. That is carrot. If it does not move, they hit with a stick. That is called carrot and stick policy. In management terms, generally they use this story. Now apply it to ground reality. Here carrot means incentive. It's like cash award. You provide some cash award as incentive. Some people may get motivated. Stick means DAR, discipline and appeal rules. Both are to be used judiciously, not irregularly, not in haste. You have to use it judiciously and get the work done. This is done not only in CRs, in any area, because this is not an interesting work, because it is digging in the board records, going into record room, dust, So many things are there. But even then, this is an important function of both accounts and executive. We have to do it jointly. No adequate monitoring at higher level. This is the problem for more number of CRs not being cleared. These things should not be left to the lower level. Lower level help should be there. But though reporting is done up to DRM, GM and Railway Board, we hardly find any active cooperation from the majority of the people in this area. Active involvement, not just giving some points of discussion and leave it till 1 year or 2 years. Should be followed up. And both accounts and executive side, higher level JA grade and above, people should involve themselves every 15 days or 1 month periodically. They hold specifically on this subject meeting. The household items are, what are the housekeeping items? CRs, stock sheets, inspection reports, audit and accounts inspection reports. These things, suspense balances, these are the housekeeping items. These housekeeping items, unless monitoring is done at higher level, results will not be so bright. And in this, results also will come slowly. But once you go on monitoring the work, definitely good results can be achieved if all concerned are properly directed and monitored. This is the problems. I am still continuing. Frequent changes. A person is working very well in CRs. The management tries to transfer him to some other section like budget or some other section. Ho gaya. Again, getting such a person in this section is very difficult. And jurisdictions. Once in a DN ka jurisdiction change kare to, old works, neither new person will take care and old person does not take care. So both the things also to be avoided. Lack of interest, that is the main thing. Lack of guidance, this can be provided by trainings like this. Sitara has been doing a lot of good work in this direction and they are providing training for all the people also, not only Appendix 3 purpose. Many times we have seen in Sitara, all interdepartmental trainees will come, all departments train. These are finance for non-finance like that. These subjects are common for all departments. Large variation in cost and sanction. Latest sanction and actual expenditure, large variation is there. That in that case, you prepare another revised estimate and send it to board or competent authority, get the sanction and then prepare CR. Non-realization of credits. That is, some credits are due to for this project because you have transferred some material to other projects. You have to get that. Or scrap sales may credit aata hai. That also you have to take. Vigilance cases and audit objections. Anything vigilance cases there means nobody will touch the file. But actually, it is not related to works register. It is related to some contract. So that contract may final bill nahi pass ho gaya to, okay, take some approximate amount and put it here and draw the provisional CR and intimate everybody. Don't throw the works register. So these are the things we have to do. And what are the consequences? Suppose you don't draw the CR. Every month you report it. Opening balance 1000, current accretion is 200, clearance 0, closing balance 1200. Don't worry, in divisions it will be there. A lot of every lump sum works program, minimum works program you call it in other railways. Some railways call it minimum works program. Some call it lump sum works program. You get at least 300 works will be there every year. So after 3 years, they are anyhow due to CR because lump sum work has to be executed in maximum 3 years. Because this year work inclusion itself, then estimate, then calling the tender next year, third year execution. So 3 years is the maximum time for completion of a lump sum works program or minimum works program item, like AFOB or some other passenger amenity work like retiring room, construction of retiring room or waiting hall, like that, or providing lift. Nowadays, passenger lifts they are providing in every station. So these things will not take more than 3 years from the proposal. So if you don't draw the CR and leave it like that and accumulating, what happens? These are the consequences. One is time element. As the time element, the time passes, and it becomes 20 years old, 40 years old, 30 years old items are also there. If you check the actual position in any railway, every railway you check it, very old items will be there. Because you have left it to the eternity, as the time moves, you will not be able to get the records. So many problems will be there. Excess over estimate will be there, and nobody will be able to process revised estimate and regularize it once the time is over. Tracing of old records will be difficult for old ones. If you don't close the accounts, practically I am telling you, now and then some booking appears in the work register. How it is appearing? Some lethargy fellow, he will put this allocation. And what this computer can do, garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you have fed, it will come out. So some booking will come. Work is completed some 10 years back. How the new booking is coming, nobody will review. Work register reconciliation properly you are not doing. If you just ask the executive in the same month how this booking has come, get the voucher, means it is a force rate. Some item, get that force item voucher. It is not pertaining to this work. All delay, all because of laziness, this type of, again booking will come. The work list will become current. What is the review? What is the rule as per engineering code? If a work does not get continuously any debit or credit for 3 months, this is due for CR. That is the test, one of the test is. Work is completed, you know it, that is due for CR. But there are large number of works for which there is no booking for more than 3 months. Why 3 months? More than 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. They are all due for completion report. If you take that figure, it will be mind-boggling figure, and management will get up and say, what is this wrong figure you are giving? So many CRs, how it will be due? Because you are not taking the correct steps to draw the CR. You means the administration. Then large number of work registers will be there. So generally, when the work is more, everybody will get irritated. Okay, whatever is easy part of the work is there, that he will go. And this will go to the back seat and go on accumulating. Difficult to get funds for old works. Suppose 20 years back work is there, doubling project. You are doing CR now. Some amount is required to accept the debit, adjustments and all. It is difficult to get funded. But somehow we are managing. If you come up to that stage, executive will somehow find the money by reappropriation and give it. Lot of differences, disputes, arbitration will be there. They are not resolved in time. They are all waiting for your, what you call it, decision. Arbitrations are not closed. Then again, we are continuing the problems. Frequent changes in staff, lack of interest, lack of guidance, all these things we have done it. Now you are going for रोल ऑफ अकाउंट्स. इसमें अकाउंट्स का रोल क्या है? अकाउंट्स का रोल माने तो पहले वर्क्स रजिस्टर को रिकंसाइल करना है. दिस इज नॉट सो इजी बिकॉज routinely you are doing means okay, it does not take much time, but reconciliation should be purposeful. There are some forced items in the works register for the month, and executive brings his own works register with details. For forced items, there will not be any details for them. They have to go, section code will be there. 4 is for store, 04 is for stores. Like that, section codes are uniform. According to section code, you can identify which section in office, accounts office, has forced this adjustment in the works register. Go there, get the voucher, immediately copy of the voucher. That you take home, executive should take to their office back. Reconciliation will be completed, subject to this. So these things have to be gone through with relevant counter department will be there. That whatever the executive department is concerned with that voucher, discuss with them, see whether it really pertains to this work register. If it pertains, copy that description of voucher in the computer printout of the work register. If it is not pertaining, you will have to please ask the accounts office to reverse in the next month. This has to be, this is very important aspect of the work register reconciliation. If it is done effectively, and also during the reconciliation, you find some wrong allocations are given, regular bookings are given that it does not pertain to us, and all these things you have to carefully note it down and get them reversed in the next month. Then monitoring has to be done regularly by accounts office. We are submitting report, and in DOMs and POM, headquarters general manager will presiding over the POM. DRM will preside DOM. DOM will be done every week, Monday generally. And POM will be done once in 2 months or once in a month. So those are the two important forums where the accounts officer has to represent these items. These are the items are department-wise, this is the position, like stock sheets, audit objections, and the CRs. These statements are to be taken engineering-wise, department-wise, and all. If it is a division, branch officer-wise, you better print it out and bring it to the notice of TRM and hand it over the copy to the concerned CNDN or CNDST, CNDE, CNDME. All these the concerned people should be given copy. You also keep a record of it as CNDFM or DFM and then pursue it. This is your baby. This has to be done. Then only CRs monitoring will be done correctly. Internal check of CRs. There are 1712 of engineering code says what you have to check it. Because first you reconcile it with the work register and you check whether final bills are passed. If not, note down what provisional amounts they have taken regarding transfer of materials, whether it is done, audit and accounts paras, etc. Cleared or not, you have to get it cleared. Executive should be pursued with that. Any vigilance case in that. Sanction requires, any whose sanction is required. And all these things, arbitrations, anything is there. So these things are to be seen in the internal check and proper certificates are recorded or not. Then we have to play a constructive role. You may say, find fault with me, why should we play? Because it is a joint responsibility of accounts and executive. If both work in the same direction, results will be fantastic. Because for that, we have to conduct meetings and effectively note down the minutes of meeting you circulate, again review meeting, like that. Go personally, this will pay dividends. Personally go to Deputy CE concerned, discuss with him, take appointment and discuss with him. So then executive will definitely take initiative, because when you are making 10 steps, they will make 100 steps. I have observed, this is my experience as an officer in railways. They cooperate, provided you are taking initiative means they will appreciate it. They will discuss with you practical problems. Both of us have to sit together and find out solutions. This is important. That is called constructive role, not destructive role. Negative role nahi hai, constructive role. This is, through that we are changing it, regularly changing. And reporting, I already told you, every month we are discussing in POM and DOM. Affairly error reportment, railway board ko bhi jata hai. So all these figures have to be discussed carefully and monitored. Otherwise, the CRs cannot be drawn. So this is the problem. So now, with my experience, what we have done is, I have pointed out 10 points. They are called 10 commandments. So we had, during one of the years, somewhere in 2007 or 8, at that time, we have done lot of work in construction in South Central Railway for drawing of CR under the able and effective guidance of the then FNSO construction. We have achieved tangible results, good results. So at that time, I noted down some points already discussed, we have discussed, but these I termed it as 10 commandments, 10 principles you have to follow. One is work registers, basic thing. Without work register, nothing can be done. Arbitration cases position we have to discuss. Go to GM office, take a list. In that, whether this agreement, any agreements pertaining to this, because you have to maintain the agreement register of this project also you have to take. Any arbitration proceedings are pending. In DGM office, you will have all the list of arbitration cases. Or the same executive office also will have not DEN level at chief engineer or CEO office. Number of arbitration cases position will be there. Then balances under any suspense sets like mobilization, advance recovery. That is a suspense set, advance, any advance payments you have done for stores. All these things you have to take it into account and get it clear. Part CRs can be drawn. Funds are to be asked. Actually, this can be lost point. Deposit works. Generally, there should not be any excess in deposit works. So these all codal provisions, the deposit works we have to follow, like creating departmental charges, which are collected usually at 12.5% of the work, cost of the work. They have to be created to earnings. These whether codal, freight and incidental charges, 5+2, and some general charges, anyhow they book it. Then certificates are to be recorded in the CR. Like there are no audit and accounts errors, no vigilance cases, work completed on so and so date, or adjustments carried out, provisional amounts have been taken, or it is a final CR, like that. All these certificates you have to record. Provisional CR and reopening. Provisional CR, you can draw it, but what is reopening? Suppose if a CR is drawn provisionally by taking debit or credit, estimated amount. When the actual amount came, like land acquisition award or arbitration award or a court case, actual amount as debit as actual payment has to be made. The amount provisionally debited to the work and kept in the deposit will not be sufficient. That the difference is more than 10,000 rupees. The CR drawn has to be reopened with the approval of competent authority. Suppose you have taken 10 lakhs as provisional amount for a particular arbitration case or court case. The award has come, say 15 lakhs or 12 lakhs or 13 lakhs more, it has come more. So more than 10,000. Then you will have to redraw the CR. That means reopen the CR. Works to be reopened karna padega. And in that, post the difference amount also with CO7 number and all those things. And obtain the sanction for the revised amount again for that CR. In case of land debits, irrespective of amount, it has to be redrawn. It has to be reopened and redrawn. There are provisions on these lines in the engineering code, 17th chapter. So reopening means that provisionally you have drawn the CR, taking some provisional amounts. And in case of other than land, more than 10,000 rupees, difference should be more than 10,000 for debit or credit. Suppose less than 10,000, what you will do? They have given one cryptic provision, like clearance of stock adjustment account, like what is that clearance of stock adjustment account differences at the end of each quarter. You have to clear less than 10,000 rupees amounts for debit or credit on the lines of stock adjustment account. In stock adjustment account, what you will do? The differences in stock, differences in price, miscellaneous items. 3 categories are there in stock adjustment account. These 3 will be debited or credited proportional to the issues made to each department. The same proportion you debit or credit each demand as per the orders of competent authority at the end of every quarter. The same lines, the difference arising between actual and provisional amount, if it is less than 10,000, that amount has to be debited or credited to the revenue, taking appropriate orders of competent authority. If it is a civil engineering work, you debit it to civil engineering department, open line. If it is S&T work, you debit it to S&T provisions in the revenue side. This will not arise normally because these situations will not come because you have not operated provisional CR and you have not seen the actual adjustments. So then how to treat it? It is already given by our forefathers in engineering code very clearly. It is more than 10,000, that work CR has to be reopened. It is less than 10,000, difference amount has to be debited or credited to demand concerned, just as you do it for stock adjustment account. This is the actual English. उनमें लिखा है. Or in case of land, any amount, you have to reopen the CR because the land is a capital item, and also the difference will come only because of some land acquisition court case. So these are the things I wanted to share with you. And once the CR is drawn, many people don't do this. CR is sanctioned, list mein nikalo. But then works register getting printed every month because you have not advised EDP center or IT center about the drawal of CR, and you have to request them to close the work code. That work code, whatever is given at the time of sanction of the work, and starting the work registers from 10 years back or 15 years back. Now you have to say IT center, this CR is sanctioned by competent authority by memorandum number so and so, so and so. Kindly delete the work code from the system. Then only the work register will not get printed. Because work register will go on printing. Even if you have drawn the CR, the work register will go on printing every month. The IT center will print it, stationary waste. Besides that, because it is live in the work code, some unscrupulous booking may come into that work also. Because work is available, some work code dalo. Oh, booking hota hai. When review comes, let us see. Who has got time to review all those old works? Nobody will do it. So the purpose of drawing completion report will be defeated if you don't close the work code, don't delete the work code from the system with the help of IT center. This is what I wanted to share with you. Now we can discuss some points. If any doubts are there, Nageshwar Rao. Hello.
So you want to ask any questions, sir?
Anybody can ask questions.
Yeah, unmuted. You can ask the
Unmuted.
question.
We have got still half an hour time. We can better utilize it.
Yeah, participants, please raise your hands so that I will unmute.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, Ispita Gupta, please unmute.
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, present scenario, IRPSM is the reliable or not reliable present scenario for works register?
Works register is still there. It is not dispensed. It is done on computer. It is not like manual bound book or anything. I have not seen any instructions to dispense with. If you dispense with, who will draw the CR? how to
Okay.
draw the CR after 10 years, instead of IRPSM program, some other program will come.
Okay, sir.
Maybe work register is done in computer. Earlier also it is done on computer. The platform of computer may be different. It is not dispensed. Code has not been amended. Nothing has come. If it is dispensed, CR also will be dispensed. How to draw the CR? Tell me. Whether it is manual work register or machine work register. It is only way of reflecting the data. Data has to be there. Now also computer only, sir. Platform of computer may be different. You may be calling it iPass or UFail. But it is a computer. It is a computer operation system only. We are doing it. Even our financial accounting system is
Yes,
done on computer only. Not from now. In COBOL time, 1967, salary bill is printed from 1967 onwards. Only the working level is you have a working platform, you call it, that is changed. The working has changed. But I don't think any amendment has come. Work history is still there. Completion reports are still there. Sir?
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Any
Next,
other thing?
Mr. Vinod Tripathi, please unmute.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, is there any major differences between a completion estimate and completion report?
Yeah, please speak, Vinod Tripathi.
Vinod Tripathi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'd like to know, sir, about sir completion statement.
Completion statement is for minor works. Completion estimate is for major projects. Completion report is the last one. There are three things. One is completion statement. For a small value works will be there, for that. Completion estimate is different. Completion estimate is nothing but one type of revised estimate only. But here you are not calling revised estimate. You are calling completion estimate. You go back to the estimates. How many estimates are there? There are 7 kinds of estimates are there. Engineering code. Vinod Tripathi.
Yes.
Hello?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
In that completion estimate is last one. Completion estimate is prepared generally for a big project, big construction projects. And
Yes.
before drawing of CR, you prepare it. Suppose work is completed in 2018.
Yes.
2018 September it is completed. From there, 18 months time plus the remaining 6 months of that financial year, roughly 2 years time will be available to submit the completion estimate. Completion estimate is for sanction of any excess is there. Subwork wise, you prepare latest sanction cost subwork wise, earthwork को कितना है और PVA को कितना है और bridges, station and building, plant and equipment, like that subworks है ना, subheads and subworks both are one and same. For them, latest sanction cost under the subwork you put and actual expenditure as per work history you put it. The total and for excess and saving you arrive at for each subwork, give the reasons, give a report also, and submit it through GM to the competent authority in railway board. Generally, it goes to railway board. Once completion estimate is sanctioned, from then onwards, another 18 months or plus more than that, depending upon the how many months are left for that say CE sanctioned, maybe in June. So up to September, that is extra time for you. From September end to another 18 months. So to draw the CR, these limits are laid down, but rarely followed. But completion estimate, if it is sanctioned, your CR will be much easier. But I find nobody is drawing completion estimate. Whatever second revised estimate or first revised estimate, that is the end of it. Afterwards, they are leaving a lot of excess amount for regularization in the CR. Followed. If you keep the large amount as unsanctioned expenditure, anyhow it reflects in unsanctioned expenditure, definitely. So your sanctioned cost is 200 crores, your expenditure is 220 crores. 20 crores will reflect in your unsanctioned expenditure. Every quarter you are sending to half-yearly review of unsanctioned expenditure and all, every 6 months you are sending, to railway board. So that unsanctioned expenditure has to be regularized, means either you prepare one more revised estimate or you prepare completion estimate. Once the work is completed, you cannot prepare revised estimate. Then completion estimate has to be prepared for sanction. People are now doing, after revised estimate, they are jumping into CR. The 12 crores, 20 crores, who will regularize it? Local powers may nahi rehta. Then it has to go to railway board. Railway board has no time to do all these things. They ask you to draw the CR within the limits of zonal railway. To enable that, first you draw the completion estimate, send it to railway board. That is seventh kind of estimate. 7 estimates mein, last one is completion estimate. But this provision is there in the code, but I have not found many people using it. If they use it, definitely it will help the drawal of CR. Am I clear? You know? Hello? Vinod Tripathi? आपको समझ में आया? Hello?
Yeah, participants, please raise your hand. I think he is not in the meeting, sir.
Not many people.
Yeah, Amarjit, please.
Amarjit raised hand.
सर कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट क्या है?
साउंड ज्यादा आ रहा है, बोलिए. हेलो.
Yeah, Amarjit, please.
Is he unmuted?
No. Yeah, please speak, Amarjit. Please speak. Sir, is able to call. Speak.
सर
हेलो.
सर
हाँ, टेल मी.
सर कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट, सर कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट क्या है?
कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट माने तो बहुत छोटे वर्ष को करते हैं. कंप्लीशन, इंस्टेड ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग ए प्रॉपर कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट, they prepare a small completion. What is that you called it? Statement, completion certificate. Completion certificate is ज्यादा है. Completion certificate माने तो that is work is completed. It is not related to work register or this one. Completion certificate, it comes in the bill, final bill also it will come. Completed certificate, completion certificate. The work also, they have to record one work is completed satisfactorily, you know. That is completion certificate. It is not completion report. Work completed certificate. It comes generally in the agreements. When you prepare the final bill, they have to record completion certificate of the work, because they have to, engineer has to record completion or commission certificate, final commission certificate, like that they will say. So work is completed as per the agreement, satisfactory, like that they record. They, in a big contract, they record the certificate and keep it on record also. Completion report is different. For an entire project, it will come. Understand? Okay.
Yeah, no more queries, sir.
Hello. Not many are there.
Some Ajay Singh has raised.
Yeah, Ajay Singh, please unmute.
सर नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
सर फाइनेंशियल प्रोग्रेस क्या है?
फाइनेंशियल
प्रोग्रेस,
फाइनेंशियल प्रोग्रेस माने तो एस्टिमेट इज से 100 करोड़ का है.
यस.
ये द वर्क विल टेक 4 years 5 years to complete it. It's a project. It's a big project like doubling project or new line project. समझ रहे हैं ना? Financial progress means suppose you have already completed 2 years time. वर्ष रजिस्टर को देखेगा. वर्ष रजिस्टर में ये मंथ के एंड में कितना खर्चा हो गया टोटल, से 40 crores हो गया. That means 40% is financial progress. 100 crores is the sanctioned cost. 40 crores खर्चा किया है माने तो ये साल, ये महीने में, 2 साल के बाद ये महीने में, अब देखे तो every month you can see the work register total, month total, or to the end of the month total. To the end of the month total, 3 totals will come in work register. First one is month total, second one is for the year total, third one is to the end of the month from the beginning of the month. फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द वर्क 3 years 4 years अभी तक हो गया, वर्क कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर आता है ना फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग, उसको सैंक्शन कॉस्ट से कंपेयर करें तो फाइनेंशियल प्रोग्रेस आता है. फिजिकल प्रोग्रेस विल बी मच लेस देन फाइनेंशियल प्रोग्रेस because of escalation in cost and all those things. Financial progress means against the sanction cost, how much expenditure you have incurred till now. If you work out, that is financial progress. Works list will give the expenditure. Sanction cost also will be there in the top page of the works list, but generally we are not filling up that. Top page is always blank. So take the estimate and see the cost, total cost, and compare with the present actual expenditure. That is financial progress. समझा? Okay. समझे सर? हाँ, बम
Yeah.
बम कुमार, raise hand.
Please unmute Bambam Kumar.
सर गुड इवनिंग.
Good evening.
सर आज का टॉपिक जैसे वर्क रजिस्टर एंड कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट है, तो ये
हाँ,
दोनों तो जनरली जो है वर्क रजिस्टर क्या है, व्हाट इज वर्क रजिस्टर एंड व्हाट इज कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट, ये कॉमन शॉर्ट नोट्स में आती है.
ये शॉर्ट नोट में आता है. मैं एर्लियर वर्क
हाँ.
रजिस्टर भी ऐसे क्वेश्चन में आता था.
जी
वर्क रजिस्टर को व्हाट आर वर्क रजिस्टर्स,
जी
व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिंगल सेट ऑफ वर्क रजिस्टर एंड डबल सेट ऑफ वर्क रजिस्टर.
जी
और अनदर क्वेश्चन आता था, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय वर्क रजिस्टर्स, हाउ डू यू मेंटेन रिकंसिलिएशन एंड रिव्यू, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ इट. सो दैट इज एन एसे क्वेश्चन. कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते थे. अब शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन में तो डेफिनेट आ रहे हैं एक्सपेंडिचर पेपर में, जीआरपी पेपर में.
हाँ जी सर बिल्कुल.
जीआरपी पेपर में आता है, एक्सपेंडिचर पेपर में भी आता है. बट
जी.
सम crack fellow like me may put essay question also in expenditure paper. Then what will happen? You have to write answer.
जी सर.
What are completion reports? What is the importance of drawing completion report? What are the steps to be taken to draw the completion report? That is one type of question. And they may ask, the number of completion reports are growing year by year in every zonal railway. Discuss the problems and suggest the remedial measures to improve the situation. Like that, one बड़ा क्वेश्चन लगा सकते हैं.
जी वो एक
मैं
ही
थोड़ा आंसर देने के लिए कोशिश किया है.
जी बिल्कुल.
प्रेजेंटेशन में से थोड़ा बना सकते हैं ये पॉइंट्स से वजह से. पूरा
जैसे-
निबंध हम नहीं बोल सकते हैं, इतना स्लाइड से आप बना सकते हैं. हाँ?
नहीं अभी आप एक क्वेश्चन में बताए ना सर, रिमेडियल स्टेप्स क्या होने चाहिए,
हाँ.
तो उसमें क्या चीज बता सकते हैं.
स्टेप्स लेना है. क्या स्टेप्स लेना है सीआर ड्रा करने के लिए?
जी
पहले वर्क रजिस्टर रहना. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? वर्क रजिस्टर्स आर नॉट देयर इन द एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिस बिकॉज एज द प्रोजेक्ट इज कंप्लीटेड they wind up their temporary office, throw the records to some other DEN or somebody, and it eats, ants will eat, rats will eat. Then you don't get any work register in the executive office for old works. Work is completed some 10 years back, 20 years back. If you see in your railway, which railway you are working?
जी सर बिल्कुल.
हाँ
हाँ जी सर
कौन
बिल्कुल.
सा रेलवे?
क्या चीज सर?
आपका रेलवे क्या है? कौन सा
सर
रेलवे?
मैं DMW पटियाला से बोल रहा
हाँ, वहाँ ज्यादा नहीं रहता.
जी.
ओपन लाइन में कम करे तो होता है. DMW में कितना वर्क्स रहता है? ज्यादा नहीं वर्क्स नहीं रहता है.
हूँ. जी
But if you work in Northern Railway or Central Railway and all, in the attention office or somewhere, you find lot of lists of CR spending. Because ongoing project, you know, railway means ongoing works. And
जी,
every year pink book में रहते हैं ना 30-40 works, छोटा बड़ा. तो 10 साल के पहले पिंक बुक निकालो, देखो वो 10 साल के पहले वर्क्स कंप्लीट होगा शायद कंप्लीट हो गया फिजिकली, handed over to open line, but draw CR not drawn, work registers are still getting printed.
बिल्कुल.
You will have to, that is why I was insisting, it is a joint work. It is not accounts work completely. It is not executive work also completely.
कंप्लीटली.
Both have to work together. Because work register उनके पास नहीं है, आपका कॉपी उनको दे दो,
बिल्कुल.
उनसे काम करो, बोलो.
हाँ जी सर बिल्कुल.
सहारा तो मिलना पड़ेगा ना. उसके बाद
हाँ.
दोनों बैठ के सेक्शन ऑफिसर एंड दैट OS कंसर्न्ड or our divisional accountant will be there in the accounts office of division. That is what is that construction project में. दोनों बैठ के OS भी आने दो, तीनों बैठ के बहस करें तो थोड़ा सोल्यूशन
कुछ
मिलेगा।
हाँ सोल्यूशन मिलेगा बिल्कुल।
हाँ, उसको ऑफिसर के सामने रखना पड़ेगा। वो भी
पुटअप करना
थोड़ा
होगा।
उनका राय दे देगा, उनका
जी।
व्यू क्या है, उससे हम हल कर सकते हैं समस्या को। समस्या छोड़े तो हल नहीं होता है, समस्या को बहस करे तो हल होता है।
डिस्कस करने के बाद
डिस्कस करना, परिष्कार लेना है और सोल्यूशन क्या है उसको निकालना पड़ेगा। प्रैक्टिकल वर्क, प्रैक्टिकली आई एम टेलिंग, थ्योरी में इतना ही रहता है, इतना भी नहीं है कोड में। मैं मेरा एक्सपीरियंस से ज्यादा बनाया
ना बिल्कुल सर।
तो आप बहस करें तो हम किए हैं हमारा। when I was deputy FMO construction I did, and when I was senior DFM also I did this, and without doing I am not telling. I am not telling completely we cleared it. Nobody can clear completely. 100 you clear it, another 100 will be added next year. But चल रहा ना, 100 CRs ड्रा करना है तो मामूली बात नहीं
सर बिल्कुल
ऐसा। So
Thank
हमारा
you.
सेक्शन ऑफिसर्स भी बहुत योगदान दिए थे, इसलिए कुछ कर।
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू वेरी मच, वेरी नाइस।
Next, Yadav, please unmute.
Sir, chat box, sir. Message, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Sir, his message in the chat box.
Chat box देखूंगा। Chat box, not control. Participants कहाँ है chat box? More बैठना। न्यू शेयर है, कहाँ है नागेश्वर चैट बॉक्स? कहाँ?
Sir, it is below, sir, below middle.
Below there.
Left to share screen.
Share screen.
Left side, it is chart is there.
Oh, share screen. New share is there. Can I type new share?
Sir, share screen left side chart box is there, sir.
Oh. I'm searching. I did not get it here.
Below what you are seeing, sir? Please tell me.
My items are top of the screen heading.
Yeah, please tell me what are the items visible to me.
Mute, stop video, security, participants, new share, pause share, annotate.
There is no
Remote control, polls.
Chart is there?
More is there. More.
Yeah,
Can I?
please check more.
In more and chart 7 is there. Okay,
Yes.
chart 7. इसमें क्या होना? Amarjit to me privately from Rajeshri Khan privately. I have to open it. Amarjit हो गया ना? और कौन डाला अब?
Last Yadav.
यादव नहीं है इसमें, अमरजीत है। Chetan Yadav is there. What is the doubt asking?
Yeah, Mr. Yadav, please tell.
Chetan Yadav?
No, sir, only Yadav. Yeah, Yadav, please unmute and tell your doubt.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Tell me what is your doubt?
Yes, sir. Which is access and saving completion report to be recorded, sir?
Yeah, in the statement that completion
No,
report
sir.
pro forma is there, huh?
कंप्लीशन रिपोर्ट में सर कितना एक्सेस होने पर या कितना सेविंग होने पर उसमें रिकॉर्ड करते हैं?
Oh, 5% is there, up to 5%. पैरा 1706 के नीचे फुटनोट है, उसमें लिखा है 5% तक डिटेल्ड एक्सप्लेनेशन की जरूरत नहीं, वो सैंक्शन लोकली कर सकते हैं। Above 5% you have to give explanation for saving and all under each subwork. 1706 पैरा है ना इंजीनियरिंग कोड, उसमें देखो नीचे फुटनोट है, 5% के बारे में बोल रहे हैं।
Sir, no more queries, sir.
I think there are no more queries. We will call it the end of the session, sir. That was once again a wonderful session, sir, on the topic.
Oh,
On
thank
behalf
you.
of the academy, I thank all the participants. I also thank the speaker of the day. See, one more is raised hand. Sri Rajshri
Rajeshri Shekhar or something.
Kandelkar.
Yeah,
yeah.
speak Rajeshri.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, please repeat the 10 points which you said, which are important. The last thing which you discussed, sir.
That is 10 commandments.
Yes, yes, 10 commandments.
I
Yes,
just
sir.
put a local heading. It is not in code. You
No,
don't
no, but
think
it was very good.
it is in code. I am
And then I just
only
missed it.
from my just experience we have put it. That is not 10
No, it was very
commandments.
good for writing an answer. For writing an
Answer, you will
answer,
get
like
10
how do you?
commandments.
Yeah.
First,
Yes. Can
you
you
have
repeat it,
to
please?
first you have to have work register. Without work register, nothing can be done. That is the first point. It has to be reconciled. Work register has to be reconciled. First point. Second point, 5.11 points I put 3, 5. Okay, 10. Work registers are to be reconciled. First one. Second one is any arbitrations are there for this work, that has to be found out. If arbitrations are there, you have to draw provisional CR. Understand? The third one is any suspenses. Generally now suspenses are less, but some advance payments for materials or mobilization advance, you may have given it. Those things, one MER, you may have put it in MER. These things are to be seen. Then part CRs can also be drawn, because if one sub work is completed, 2 sub works are completed. For that also you can draw the CR and keep it. So certification of sanction will be done totally at a place. Then funds are to be asked. This may be last point actually. Deposit works. If it is a deposit work, 12.5% departmental charges are there. They are to be rated to earnings. You have to see that. Generally, entire deposit we will consume in execution of work. That 5%, 2% freight and incidental charges are there. That also we don't book to the relevant demand, revenue demand. These things we have to see. Sometimes it results that deposit is less and expenditure is more. For that, you go through that deposit work estimate, front page mein ek statement rehta hai. In that they will write if 20% excess or 25%, now 25% ho gaya kehte hain, 20% excess we will pay, like that depositor, that fellow, company fellow will agree and sign there. So up to 20% excess, no revised estimate is required. But beyond 20%, don't do the work. Obtain the additional deposit and then only do the work. Otherwise, it results in minus balance in deposit miscellaneous center. Expenditure also will be more and deposit will be less. Audit will catch you. So this should be very careful in deposit works. Then certificates are to be obtained from the executive on the CR. What are the certificates? Generally, first one is work completed. Then second one is expenditure, complete expenditure is recorded, or expenditure is recorded provisionally in respect of so-and-so arbitration cases, etc. And all adjustments are carried out. Fourth one is no audit and accounts paras are there. The fifth one is the in case of land cases and all, complete amount bills are passed, all bills are passed, all final bills are passed. If final bills are not passed, 1 or 2, you have to take provisional amount. Those notes you have to keep it as enclosures for that. Then only the CR will be completed. And the work, it is reconciled, expenditure is reconciled for the month up to the month of so-and-so with the work registers. Like that, you have to obtain the certificate from the executive. Then competency of sanction. Whose sanction is required? Now, question is, from my section officer level to deputy level, we are trying to find out any item in the SOP. No SOP item will be there even in model SOP. Competency of sanction for CRs is nothing but competency of sanction for revised estimate of the work. Same thing will apply here also. Provisional CR, because I told you any arbitration cases are there or final bills not passed, contractor is not coming forward to sign it, there are disputes. In that case, provisional CR can be drawn. Then what is meant by reopening? What reopening means, after the CR is provisionally sanctioned, there is a booking after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. One booking has come expenditure. That is more than 10,000 rupees difference is there. For original provisional booking is say 10 lakhs, but you have got final bill for that 12 lakhs. 10,000, not 10,000, 10%, it is 10,000. Suppose you have booked provisionally 10 lakhs and your difference in booking between final booking and provisional booking is more than 10,000 in respect of other than land items, then the CR has to be reopened with the approval of competent authority and post this item and draw the CR again. That is called provisional CR ka provisions hai. In respect of land acquisition cases, irrespective of any amount, CR has to be reopened, post the correct amount and draw the CR. This is the, and you may question me, what happens to less than 10,000 rupees amount in respect of other than land acquisition? That has to be dealt on the same lines as stock adjustment account adjustment. In stock adjustment account में आप पढ़े होंगे, if the differences in quantity, differences in value, miscellaneous items, three things will be there in stock adjustment account. Every quarter में they adjust it to final heads, revenue or capital, whatever final heads are there, in proportion of issues made to the particular department during that period. In the same way, if less amounts like 10,000 rupees difference, less than 10,000 rupees difference items have come, they do not pertain to land acquisition. Such items are to be booked to the department concerned. If 3 departments are there in the work, 3 departments in a particular proportion with the approval of competent authority. That's all. Then at the end of the day, you have to close the works register and advise the EDP center or IT center to drop the work code from the master list. Otherwise, even after drawal of CR, sanction of CR, your works register will get printed every month. To avoid that, the work code given by IT center, again go to IT center and ask him to drop the work from the list of works registers. These are the 10 commandments or 10 practical solutions I have given. This becomes an essay also if you improve it. Okay, Rajeshri? Okay. Nagesh Rao?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can we close?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because that was once again very nice
repeat.
explanation of 10 commandments, sir.
I repeat it.
You are also noting it down.
Yes. No, that's only some practical points.
So,
all of you know it.
Yes, sir. So on behalf of the Academy, I thank all the participants. I also thank the speaker of the day, Sri Padmanabhan Garu. Thank you one and all. Just to remind, tomorrow's session will be on inventory control. The login timing will be at 14:45 hours and the session will commence at 15 hours.
Yes, sir.
So, thank you one and all.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you all.